boat. Okay, then pop. Okay, and so this Sherlock from the Mythos. Okay, and this. Put the cover on and watch it work. So cool, right? See? It really stinks about. It's cool, right? It goes pretty fast, you gotta admit. It looks pretty ugly, but it goes. Whoa! Look how fast it's going. That's the noise. That's made. That's what it's called a pop-up boat. Look at the water's boiling. It's getting to stop. Don't stop here. Let us give it some boost. Okay, now it's just stuck. That's it. Here, see, it's working again. I just stuck. Stop being so stuckish. Just turning around is Sharuk, 11 years old, from the Mythos. Myth, Mithboys. Watch my other videos. Thank you. The water is pretty strong. Whoa. Well, maybe you can't see, but okay, you see this in the front? It's actually vibrating. Maybe you can't see, but look. See it move? Real cool things. You see the smoke? It looks like it's real dangerous, but the smoke is the best part of it. It goes real fast, by the way. It's just going slow because I put a tea candle in there instead of a birthday candle. But tea candle works better. A birthday candle makes it go faster, but it runs out real fast. A tea candle goes on for a little while. Okay, let's see it work without like this. The engine is kind of uglyish because I used it before and it failed, and this way it did work. See, I do not give up. I used to give up, but now I do not give up anymore. Hear it? The pop-up? So cool. Okay, my video is almost finished, so like a couple of more seconds and it's finished. So I know some of you guys think you want this, but this is what the video. This is you can make one. Is go to sciencefilmmaker.org or in YouTube. How to make a pop-up boat or a putt boat, putt boat or pop boat. Real easy.